When we left off, hi there everyone, when we left on the last video, I was showing you how to download everything so we could go through and show you what the different parts of these were and what they did so far and stuff like that. So what I want you to do is log into your Blogger account and meet me on the dashboard. Get used to doing that. If we start doing that and get you into a rhythm, you'll start doing things on a continual basis, which means you'll get really good at doing it. So log in now and I'll meet you on the inside on the dashboard. Hopefully now you're on this screen, you've got your MLM lead generation, whatever you want to call it, loaded up. So what you want you to do is click on design. This will give you the option of seeing what you've just put on when I asked you in the last video to put everything on. Now down the side you see all the different labels. What I want you to start doing is start working them out. So what I want you to do is click on the About Me, load it up. Once it's loaded up, you can then change and amend the About Me to what you want it to be, custom make it to yourself. This is what I've done just as a demo test now. Title in About Me, show it on your blog, make sure they're both checked off, put your name in, put anything you want to put in here, put it in here, anything like that, just put it in like that. And then you can put in yourself your location where you live and stuff. I just put United Kingdom because they don't really need to know my address. Once you've done it, click on save. Once it's saved, it'll go straight back down and that's that part done. Then I want you to do is the followers, so click on followers on edit. And this is what followers looks like. All you need to do is just keep followers as it is. You can change it to bloggers if you wanted to, or something like that, but just keep followers as it is. Press save so it's saved like that again, and then your blog archive. Click on the blog archive. Now this part is where it shows on your blog as it is. You can see the preview there. What I tend to do is a flat list because I don't want lots and lots and lots of different lines. I just want it nice and neat. So what I do as well then is I either do flat list or I do a drop down. Drop down's a lot better than that. Date format like this. So what you want to do is you want to get something like that and do it on a weekly basis and just mess about with it to how you want it. You can do it monthly, daily, weekly, anything you want, but the fact of it being is if you do it daily it'll last a lot longer and it'll look a lot more untidier on your blog, and you want it to look smart, dynamic and cool and fresh. So I suggest the less you have on it, the better it is. I mean, it's in length, that's all. So what I want you to do now is the HTML JavaScript. I want you to click on that. This was from the second lesson when I told you how you could upload your book. This is what it looks like in the HTML. Now you can have this anything you want. If you get anything like you click on the internet and you find yourself something that you want to add to it that looks kind of smart, like an add-on or something colourful or pictures or something like that, you put the HTML into this coder in here, click save. If you want to put a title in, you can leave it blank. I'll just put a title in just to demonstrate. Get lots of free leads the same way I do. And then press save. So you get the idea of what you need to do. You need to go through them all and work them out one by one, which ones that you like, which ones you don't like, which ones you're going to keep, which ones you're not going to keep, so that you need to start building up a bit of rapport on your blog, because you need to get people's attention. You need them to come back. If you don't get their attention the first time they come to your blog, you'll never succeed in building. This is the pages one. The pages one is if you want to add any extra pages, it'll go on the top. You put in your first page there, what it's called, and you can change the name there to front, just for instance, and press save. And it's just as easy as this. Everyone thinks that making a blog's quite hard and quite technical. Well, it is if you overlook it. It's like anything you learn. If you're a footballer at the age of 8 You're not going to be the next David Beckham or the next Wayne Rooney or anyone that's took years. They've took years to do stuff. Now you've got to learn everything. You've got to go and select everything that you want. On the next video I'll go from pages upwards and search this blog, and we'll get to the top, and then what I'll start doing is start showing you little tips and little tricks that I use to shorten down what you're doing and to get you on your feet really, so you can get your first blog post done within 24 hours to 48 hours of watching these videos. Hope for you to tune in on to the next video. I'll see you at the top. Take care.